Good evening, Professor. Today I'm diving into how to automatically generate a search map from a robot and find the shortest path using the Grassfire algorithm. My program will create a grid based map of the room, randomly place these obstacles, and then use the Grassfire algorithm to determine the most efficient path from the starting point to a goal. Now I'm going to enter the number of rows. It's over 8, so I'm giving it 10. 10. The obstacle percentage, 20. Start point, maybe 7. If I'm going to enter a number, it's not in the range of 5 to 9. So this is the invalid goal position, because it's not the goal range. So I'll make it correct. So this is the generated grid with distances. S is 0 row column 7, and goal point is row 6 column 9. So all the shortest paths, there are 4 solutions. For example, 0 7, 0 7, 1 7, 1 7, 2 7, 3 7, 4 7, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8. Then we reach into goal point. So the other 3 solutions are similar to the first one. Now I'm going to show you my coding. So we have 2 functions that set up our map. The create grid function makes an empty grid, like drawing a blank checkerboard, and the place obstacle function randomly puts X marks on this grid to represent things our robot can't move through, like furniture. Then here are set start points and set goal point. This function is to mark where our robot starts and where it needs to go. The set start function puts an S at the beginning of the path. And set goal asks the user where they want to go. So I'm marking it and spot as a G. So just like in my example, I entered the invalid input. Then we have the opportunity to enter again. So this is the find all passes. This function is the brain of our robot. It uses Grassfire algorithm. Imagine a fire starting at the goal and spreading out evenly in up, down, left, right directions. So the robot then follows the path of their fire back to the start. So in this way, if it always finds the shortest road, then display grid function. So this function is like our robot's eyes. It shows us what the map looks like with all the obstacles, the start and the goal points, and the distance the robot calculated. The getValue input function. This function is helper function. It makes sure that when we ask the user for information, like the size of the grid or where to put the goal, the users give us the answers. And it must be valid input, not invalid input. This is the main function. The main function brings everything together. So this is the process telling each part of our project when to do its job. For example, in my step 1, I enter the grid size, I give it 10 and 10. So step 2, I give the obstacle percentage to 20. So step 3, it create grid and place obstacles using the grass fire algorithm. Then I set the start point, then set the goal point. The goal point in concluding the rows and columns. Then step 6, the algorithm will find all the shortest passes and all the solutions. So display result. So that's all. If there is no solution, then they will print no path found out from start to goal. That's all. Thank you.